In this video, I'm going to show you how to select an image or an object in Photopea. Start by opening your Photopea project. The first thing you should do is select the Move tool from the left-hand side of your screen, which is represented by a cursor icon. After selecting it, go to the top bar and enable the Transform Controls option. This will display edges and corner handles around any selected object, making it easier to identify what you have selected in real time. To select an image or object, go to the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Every image, shape, or object in your project is represented as a separate layer. Simply click on the layer you want to select, and it will become active. With Transform Controls enabled, you will immediately see a bounding box appear around that object on the canvas, confirming your selection. You can then click and drag it to move it or apply any transformations. If you are unable to move an object after selecting it, it is likely locked. In that case, look for a lock icon next to the layer in the Layers panel. Click on that lock icon to unlock the layer, and then you will be able to move or edit it freely. Another useful method is selecting objects directly from the canvas instead of the Layers panel. To do this, make sure the Move tool is still selected, then enable the Auto Select option from the top left area of your screen. Once this is turned on, you can simply click on any image or object on the canvas, and Photopea will automatically select its corresponding layer. This is especially helpful when working with multiple elements, as it allows you to quickly select what you see without searching through layers. Even if your project only has a single image, you still need to make sure it is selected and not locked before moving it. By using these methods, you can easily select and control any image or object within your project, and this is how you can select an image or an object in Photopea.